So now let's see skill 3. We're going to make a change to our repository and then commit that change. Commit means we're writing a note about the change that we made and committing that note to the history of the repository. So first we want to open our repository. Here it is, test. We want to open a file here. I can use anything. Normally I'd be coding in R, so I'd use RStudio, but I don't have to use that. I'm just going to open it up with a text editor. It's way down at the bottom here. Text edit, there we go. All right, so that's what that readme says, not much. I'm going to add a change here. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and save that. Okay, so we're going to do this with GitHub Desktop. Let's go take a look at GitHub Desktop. And I'm on the History tab now, but let's hop over to the Changes tab. You can see there's one change. And if I go on README, you will see that, yeah, I just made a small change. And this is what I added, this right here. So now I can go down here, add the note about what I changed. I added a line. I could add the description, but I don't need to. And now I click Commit. And now when you look at the history, you can see it's listed here. I added a line, I click that, and it shows me what the change was. I'm not going to push this up to GitHub yet. I'll show you that in another video.